Damn, cat killed the boogeyman.
This is a cousins only video. Say your name one more time.
My name is Shakira.
Shakira was out here holding it down.
Hey, it's Kay and I'm back today with another motherfucking video. And for today, I'll be doing a Bohemian Loc, aka Boho Loc hairstyling video. You can book this look through BeautyBeginners_, a licensed Houston-based natural hairstylist. The prep products I'll be using are Mousse from your local beauty supply, Lemongrass Detangler from BeautyBeginners_, Edge Booster from the beauty supply to lay my edge down and watch me work it. Also, edge brush and your little sister's hair ties. Everything is in the description box below. I like to call this first hairstyle Kruella's OG middle part Bussdown. Before we get into the second hairstyle, FYI, I am referencing an OG 2019 hairstyling video I did back when. I would give an explanation, but this one's pretty self-explanatory. Just grab your desired ponytail thickness and wrap with another piece of hair, preferably a less seam one, and tuck it on right under. Look how easy that is. And then repeat to the other side. We gonna call this hairstyle Ittybittypiggy. The third hairstyle will be a simple half up, half down. Once you get the proportions right, go ahead and grab your hair tie and wrap it on up. Something that some of y'all need to do. In this clip, I'm making sure that the ponytail is secure. Same thing I did with the first hairstyle, pick some hairs, wrap it around just to have a cleaner look, and shape the ponytail to your desire. We call her Miss Half and Half. The fourth hairstyle is just me throwing it to the side, girl, nothing special. We gonna call this hairstyle Peas Half and Half Special. Biting off the previous hairstyle, I will be wrapping that ponytail up. Now I'm just securing the bun with my hair tie and shaping it to my desire. Also make sure there are no flyaways. We gonna call her Miss HunBun. This style is for my Rihanna forehead like gals. A all down simple side part. We gonna call this style the Bad Gal Forehead Sava. So for this hairstyle, I will be leaving some hair out in the front for like a bang, and the back will be in a bun, but not just a regular bun, a croissant type of bun. So really pay attention on how I do that. We gonna call this style C-Bang. Biting off the last style yet again, I'll be taking the bun out into a ponytail, tightening it up, and we're gonna call this style P-Bang. Piggybacking off the last hairstyle, I'm just putting it in a high ponytail. And we're gonna call her Miss HPB. This hairstyle is a mix of the previous style, also with the croissant bun. Just pay attention to how I tuck. And don't talk about my kitchen. We gonna call her Miss HCB. This style tutorial was highly requested, so what I do is get two singular pieces in the front, grab one side, twist, grab the other side, twist, and then pull it towards the back like I'm putting in a ponytail. After this step, I incorporate all the remaining hair into a ponytail. The gag is, though, it's not a ponytail. Haha, it's a croissant bun again. Yeah. And again, tighten it as much as you can to make sure it's secure, and also make sure there's no flyaways. We're going to call her Madame Phyllis. This is my quick and easy go-to-work hairstyle, LOL. Literally just two pieces of hair in the front with a high ponytail. We're going to call this one Top Flight GT. And not gonna hold y'all, this is my favorite go-to out of the way hairstyle. Playing off the last style by putting this into, you guessed it, a high croissant bun. And don't talk about my beauty beads in my kitchen, whatever you want to call it, don't talk about it. We're gonna call this style Kleopatra. In the middle of me shaping it, I end up feeling myself like, oh my god, I hate when I done caught you. This was also another highly requested tutorial video. So technically I just take out the curling pieces of the two ends, two pieces in the front, and I put those two together and put them out the way just so they don't get in the way when I put the ponytail in. Then the same two ends that I got the curling pieces from, I take those out. And you guessed it right again, the croissant bun. The same pieces that you left out, you're going to be putting them on the opposite side of where you got them from. And please don't be like my slow tail self. Girl, I didn't put the dang curls that I pulled out in the ponytail. You need the curls out so it can have a little pizzazz. Yeah, pull it out, pull it out. Adjust it to however you need to. Get whatever, get all the lumps, the newts, the crannies out to make it to your liking, This style will be called the Librarian. So for the next style, I will be needing a bang, and with that, I'll be parting the remaining hair in 2 different bunions. And don't be scared to tighten up the hair tie because we need as much security as we need. Hello? And once you get your desired bang size, you're going to go ahead and repeat the same thing to the opposite side. We're going to call this hairstyle the Kool Kat. Using the leftovers from the last hairstyle, we're going to be putting the buns into high ponytails. Pigtails, ponytails, however you want to say it. Repeat the same process to the other side, and we're going to be calling this hairstyle the Kool Kid on the block. And I was on that Beyonce feeling myself yet again. And I did a little dance break today. On TikTok. Y'all heard that? Oh my God. Embarrassing. But like I was saying, follow my Instagram at @DKDanae. Just go and be only. It's K-Danae, and I'm out, but only for today. Peace.
Let me bring a social boy and Superman.